Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your email address on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. So in order to change your email address, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen on Snapchat. Once you click on your profile picture, it's going to bring you to the profile section of your Snapchat. Once you're in the profile section, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen on Snapchat. Now once you click on the setting icon, it's going to bring you to the setting page of Snapchat. Over here, you want to search for emails. So the red color option is basically the email. So click on where it says email, and then it's going to show you your current email. So in order to change your email, first you want to click on the current email you have. Once you click on it, a keyboard should appear from the bottom of your screen. Now what you can do is just remove the current email you have and type the new one. So I will type a new called KevinGY23. So this is my new Gmail. After you type your new Gmail, you want to click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to ask you for the password of your account. So enter the password of your Snapchat account. And after you enter the password, basically your Gmail will be changed. So let me do that. After you enter the password, click on continue. And once you click on continue, basically your Gmail should be changed just like this. So that's how you guys can change your email on your Snapchat. So hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time.